Good evening, ma'am. Today's topic is features of a Java. So, features of a Java. Java is a simple, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secure, robust, then architecture neutral, then high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. So, features of a Java. So, we discuss one by one feature of a Java. So, first, Java is a simple language. So, Java is a very easy and easy to learn, and its syntax is a very simple, clean, and easy to understand. According to Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on a C++, so easier language. Then Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features like example pointers, operator overloading. Then there is a no need to remove undefined object because there is a automatic garbage collection. So that's why Java language is a simple. It is the one feature of a Java. Then second is a Java is a object oriented. So Java language is a object oriented programming language. Everything in a Java is in a based on object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of object that interpreted both data and behavior. That's why it's object oriented. Then it is a platform independent. So Java language is a platform independent because Java program can run on any OS or any system. That's why it is a platform independent. And then there are two types of a platform: software based platform and hardware based platform. Java provides a software based platform. That's why it is a platform independent. So secure. Java is a best known for the security. So we can develop our system virus free system. Java is a secure because there is a two reason. First is a no explicit pointer, and second, Java programs run inside a virtual machine sandbox. That's why it's secure. Then class order is a Java. It is a part of the Java runtime environment JRE, which is used to load Java classes into the virtual machine dynamically. Then another part is a bytecode verifiers. Means it checks the code fragment for the logical code that all volatiles access right to the object. That is a bytecode verifier. Then another feature is Java is a robust. So robust means robust stand for the robust means strong. So Java is a robust because it uses strong memory management. Then Java provide automatic garbage collection which runs on the Java virtual machine. Then there are no explicit handling the type checking mechanism in a Java. All the points make Java robust, that is a strong. That's why it is a robust. Then architecture neutral. So another feature of architecture neutral. So architecture neutral means Java is a neutral because there are no implementation depends on features size of primitive types in a fixed example in C languages. Int data occupied 2 bytes of a memory of a 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes memory of a 64 architecture. But in Java, it occupies 4 bytes of a memory of for both 32 and 64 architecture in a Java. That's why it is a architecture neutral. Then another feature is a portable. So Java is a portable because its facility you can carry the Java bytecode to the any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. That's why it is a portable. It is a important features of a Java. Then another feature is a high performance. So Java is a faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages. Java bytecode is close to native classes, and it's a little bit slower than the compiled languages like C++. And Java is a interpreted languages that is a very slower than the compiling languages. It has a high performance. Then another feature is a distributed. Java is a distributed because it facilitates use to create a distributed application in a Java, EJB used for creating a distributed application. And then another feature is a multi-threaded. A thread like is a thread like as a separate program executing concurrently. We can write any programs that deals with a many tasks once by defining multiple thread. The main advantages of multi-threading is that it doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It occupies all threads in the same memory. That is the common memory. So Java is a multi-threaded. Then dynamic. Dynamic Java language is a dynamic language. It support dynamic loading of classes. Means the class loaded on the demands. It also support function in the native languages like C and CPP. That's why it is a dynamic. Thank you.